Hello, and welcome to the Urban Garden Square Foot Gardenator. With me here is Josh and Christine, and I'm Elias, and I'm going to be your narrator or someone to walk you through the process. What we have here is a basic gardening application. It's called the Urban Square Foot Gardenator, and you're going to walk through the process of creating a garden and go through various steps of planting, harvesting, watering, and doing various pieces of sharing. The functionality of the application is a little bit limited, so the items that you could actually do you will see noted in a reddish tone square shape, and we want to see how you go through the application. If you have any questions, if you could talk to us what you're doing and what you're thinking, that will help us fine-tune the application. And you can go ahead and get started.
Okay, so I'm creating my garden. Can I hold this up so I can see it? Okay. Garden name. All right. So I click there, I think, to put my name in. Oh, it's already in there for me. Okay. Let's see here.
Yeah, some of the pieces are automated.
Okay. Sun exposure. It's red, so that means I can do it, right? All right, so I can click on, whoa. Location of garden. I'm not sure what to do here. When I say, I'm clicking, I'm thinking a QWERTY board's gonna pop up or something. Oh, man, it already gave it to me, okay. Size of location.
You could use the special pen if you want to help you
This
with the
is a
clicking.
special?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think my fingers, oh, okay.
You're good.
It zoomed at me. Okay, next. Custom. Oh, I think my success at typing in things are probably not so good, so I'm going to use a custom. Herbal Heaven. How's that? Oh, wait a minute. I can only touch things that are red, right? Okay, so this means what? Where do I go from here? There's nothing here. Oh, I'm supposed to go green now? Okay. So my choice is parsley, I see. Okay.
So we have an Android emulator running on an iPad.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so actually, I picked one, and all of a sudden the rest of them populated for me. Is that what the deal is? Okay. I understand this is limited functionality. It says click to plant. Well,
You're
I don't
missing
know.
the button.
I'm missing
There
it?
you go.
Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, planted. So let me just go ahead and plant all these. Can I change up, or is this is what I got right now? Okay, all right.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm planted. So that means I can go find out what my garden status is. Okay. Now, because it was green once and it was red at another time, I now have red and green. So what do I do?
Actually red.
Oh, it is red this time. Okay. They told me only to touch the red, so.
I see.
So I was a little confused because one screen was green, and I didn't know what to do. Okay, so I've already done this. Is it
The
doing
wording
something
changes.
else?
It's a little difficult to see.
Oh, it says planted, 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 planted. Garden status. Actually, let me click here.
Only the second and the last icons are selected there.
Oh, these two?
The second one and the last one.
Gotcha.
What do you think
is this watering?
Yes.
Is that a little water drop?
Yes.
Okay, I'm watering my garden. Oh, this is so cool. I got a little garden on here.
It's your own private Farmville.
Yeah. And then, all right, can I click here? No, I
That
can't.
functionality is outside the scope of the test.
Okay. So the next little doohickey, I guess, was that like favorites or something to share?
It was a sharing icon.
Gotcha. So then I do Facebook. Is that what this
That's,
is?
we already tested this functionality. We're not testing this at this phase. We're mostly focusing on the actual planting.
Gotcha.
So this is just showing you where you could go from here.
Gotcha. Okay. So I keep getting these if I hit there. Let me try this. Oh wow. So you can actually keep track of when you need to harvest your time after you've planted something. That's neat. Especially because I don't have a green thumb. I'd be really... He's been trying to get me to push these buttons, I guess, all the time, and I didn't pick up on it. I'm sorry. I'm really, truly sorry.
You're not supposed to push your users.
Well, he didn't do that. He was just like, well, those buttons now have different things on them. It's like,
Right. The trouble is, if she didn't notice, you have a problem.
No, I know.
yeah.
It'll have verbal cues.
Uh-huh. Hey, dummy.
Look, I really have a plant here. Oh, wow.
Do you see what
And
the
now we're
words are
just-
saying?
See? Verbal cues.
Well,
No,
I
I'm
have to-
asking to see if she's noticing it too.
I honestly...
We can see right through that.
I see more color than I do letters, and of course, I'm probably not being very fair at this
Can
because
I have
I
a
should
look?
have glasses on.
No, I have my glasses on, and it's really not legible. You probably need to
Make it bigger.
deal with the contrast issue.
Yeah, I
White
think.
letters, I don't know how hard it is to change the colors. Because you have such saturated backgrounds, you may just need to...
Yeah, each of the spaces were originally different colors. but
Yes.
in order to get it to work and be buttons, I guess they had to be coated orange, which,
We had different colors, different contrast.
like, letters
Right.
blue and planteds.
Yes.
Making it links is what caused the problem. Because you're adding another hovering feature on top.
It's the eye plots.
Got it.
That, yes.
Well, I have to tell you, this is ingenious given that the problems that we're having with the emulator that you guys did this. We just kind of like went right through it. But no, this is really nice. I get what the application is supposed to do. I'll let her words speak a little bit about trying to navigate through it a little. It was readability on the buttons is probably the biggest issue, but
Yeah.
I actually see true benefit for someone who has no green thumb. How this could help me if I really wanted to make sure my plants didn't die on me. My husband brings me home a potted plant, and if there's no instructions,
It's
I'll
dead
water
in a
it.
week,
It's
huh?
dead in a week. It really is. How do I end this, or am I supposed to not?
This was fine. What I'll actually do is show you the actual app or an interface without the buttons to see if they stand out to you.
Oh, good.
And because obviously here they're kind of dimmed down because of the highlighting feature to indicating what is clickable.
Yeah.
But do you have any other feedback about things that you think are good or
When you zoom, you click on the
things you like, things you would have liked to see?
line where this.
Well, I know that you had limited functionality, so if you clicked on the one plant, the other ones were already pre-populated. I probably wouldn't necessarily know if I wanted to have an herbal garden. What are herbs anyway, and how would I plant them, and what would go do? Are the ones that were picked with it or ones that are supposed to just grow with them? You know what I mean? Because they kind of like pollinate each other, or was it some arbitrary pick that you guys just did